Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change country in Google Play Store. So we will go into the Play Store here, and after that we have to click on the profile icon which is on top right side corner. Then we have to go to the setting, and after that we will click on the general and account and device preferences. And after that you have to wait for some time, and here you can see that the country and profile it is on here, right? So how we can change it? So we have to just go below down here and we have to clear all the data. So if you want to clear all the data, you have to just find the where is my Play Store. So just give me a second here. Okay, so this is the Play Store. You have to click and hold, and after that you have to go to the app info, and you have to go to the storage usage, and after that you have to clear all the data, right? And after clearing all the data, you can also clear all the data here, but it will require you to log in into once again, right? Then we will just go back, and after that we will download a VPN. If you don't have a VPN, then just download it right now. Okay, so there are many free VPN here, and after that, after downloading the VPN, just connect any of them, and after that you can change the country code, right? So whichever country you want to just enter, just select that country in your VPN, and after that you can easily change it. So this is it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, like this video, subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.